Relentless monsoon rains continue to lash several parts of India, claiming young lives and leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. On Friday, May 30, a heartbreaking tragedy struck Karnataka's Dakshina Kannada district. A 10-year-old girl named Nayeem died after a compound wall collapsed on her house near Deralakatte in Kanakare village on the outskirts of Mangaluru. According to local sources, heavy overnight rains caused the wall behind her home to give way. Debris, slush, and a falling window crashed into the structure, fatally injuring the child. Naeem was rushed to the hospital but succumbed to her injuries shortly after. The Indian Meteorological Department IMD has issued an orange alert for the coastal Karnataka region, warning of heavy rains, thunderstorms, and lightning on May 30. In response, the Dakshina Kannada District Administration declared a holiday for all Anganwadis, primary and high schools in Mangaluru, Ullal, and Bantwal taluks. In the neighboring Udupi district, authorities have shut down schools up to class 10 and all Anganwadis for the day. Meanwhile, this is not the first such tragedy. On May 26, a 3-year-old girl, Keerthila Nagesh Poojari, died in Mahalingeshwar Colony of Gokak town after a wall collapsed on her while she slept beside her sister. And earlier on May 19, 35-year-old Shashikala lost her life in Bengaluru in a similar wall collapse incident triggered by continuous rainfall. To make matters worse, on Friday morning, a huge tree fell on the Mangaluru Central Shoranur rail line between Central and Netravati cabin, affecting train operations towards Shoranur. Services towards Mangalore Junction, however, remain operational. As monsoon advances, coastal regions are bracing for more disruptions. Residents and fisherfolk are being urged to stay alert and avoid venturing into dangerous areas.